નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we will study about the example 3. This is the topic of standard 9, chapter number 9, areas of parallelograms and triangles. So what is this example actually state is that so that median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. See, for this we have taken here one of the triangle ABC. This AD is the median of this triangle ABD, so that this BC side is divided into the two parts BD and CD, and both these parts are equal. So here we can write down that AD is median of triangle ABC, and therefore we can write down that BD is equals to CD, right? So here the thing is that what we have to prove? We have to prove that area of ABD. We have to prove that area of ABD is equals to area of AC. That these two triangles ABD and ACD are have the equal areas, right? So as we have to study about the areas, we know that we required the altitude for the area of the triangle. So we have drawn one of the altitude AN that is perpendicular to BC. So here we have AN which is perpendicular to BC, right? Now according to the formula of the triangle, we can write down here is that area of, if we consider this triangle ABD, area of ABD is equals to, you can write down 1/2 into base. Now for this triangle ABD, what is the base? BD, and altitude is AN, right? This is the formula to find out the area of triangle ABD, 1/2 base into altitude. Now here we can see that BD and CD are equal. So here we can replace this BD, we can write down 1/2 as it is. Replacing BD by CD, we can write down here CD, and this AN remains the same. So now this is again becomes the another formula for another triangle, 1/2. Now base is CD. CD is the base and AN is the altitude. So this formula represents the area of triangle ACD, right? You may think that why altitude is not inside this triangle, because what is altitude actually? Altitude means the height of the triangle, right? So here we cannot draw the height of the triangle because the altitude must have a 90 degree of the angle. So if we draw one of the line here, we cannot get the 90 degree of the angle. So that line we have to draw here. That is already drawn here, AN. So with this base, we have to extend up to this point, and then we can draw the perpendicular line. So that AN will become the height of triangle ACD, and that is why here we have considered AN as its altitude. So now this is what this is gives the area of triangle ACD, right? So here we have area of ABD, and here we prove that it is equals to area of ACD. So this is an important result that we have to use to prove some of the exercise, right? So let us solve the first question, that is exercise 9.3. Question 1 is, here we have given that a triangle, in this triangle E is any point on median AD of triangle ABC. So that is a triangle ABC, AD is the median and E is a point anywhere on these median. So what we have to prove here? We have to prove that area of ABE is equals to area of ACE, right? So where is the triangle ABE? ABE is this triangle, ACE is is this triangle. That means this triangle and this triangle. We have to prove that both the triangles have the equal areas, right? Here the condition is given that AD is the median. So as we can write down that AD is median. Therefore, we can write down that BD is equals to CD, right? BD and CD will become equal. Now, we know that according to this result that we have studied here as an example 3, as the AD is the median of triangle ABC, it will divide the triangle ABC into the two triangles, and both the triangles have the equal area. Therefore, here also one more thing we can write down, that area of ABD is equals to area of ACD, right? Give it the equation number 1. What is the reason? Reason is that AD is the median that we have write down here, and therefore the area is equal. Now, here we find out the area of ABD, and we require the area of AB. That means this much of the area of EBD we have to subtract. If we subtract the area of EBD, then we get the area of AB. So the same thing that we have done here. Now we can think about the another triangle EBC. You can see that here in triangle EBC. As the AD is the median of the triangle ABC, here ED will become the median of EBC, because base is the same BC for both the triangle ABC and EBC. Base is same, so median will be the same. So in triangle EBC, here we can write down that ED is the median. Now as ED is the median, here also we can apply this result, that the median divides the triangle into the two equal areas, two triangles which have the equal areas. So we can write down that area of triangle EBD is equals to area of triangle ECD. Give it the equation number 2. Now, if we subtract both this equation, what we get? Subtract equation number 1 and equation number 2. So the left hand side is subtracted from the left hand side. So we get the area of ABD minus area of EBD is equals to area of ACD minus area of ECD. Okay. Now see, area of ABD, that means this triangle ABD, we have to subtract the area of EBD. So what is the remaining part here is ABE. So area of ABE will become equal to, now here ACD minus ECD. That means what is the area of remaining is ACE. Area of A, C and E. And that is the required result. Right? So the concept here is that, what is the concept? Concept is that if there is a triangle, if we draw the median, then the median is divide the triangle into the two triangles which has the equal areas. So that is the concept that we have to keep in mind. Okay? Okay, let us study the question number 2. Question number 2 is, in a triangle ABC, E is the midpoint of median AD, so that area of BED. Here we have to prove that area of BED is equals to 1/4 area of ABC. So here what is the given is that, here we have given that ABC is a triangle, AD is the median, and E is also the midpoint of AD. E is the midpoint of median AD. So here, now first of all, we know that AD is the median of triangle ABC. So we can write down that in triangle ABC, AD is the median. So the result we can write down is that area of ABD is equals to area of ACD, right? As both these areas are equal, we can write down that the area of total triangle ABC, area of ABC is what? The addition of both these areas. So area of ABD plus area of ACD. Now we can replace this area of ACD with ABD. So here we get the area of ABD plus area of ABD. That means 2 times area of ABD. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equals to 2 times area of triangle ABD. Give it the equation number 1. Right? And both these triangles have the equal area. We can replace this ACD with ABD. So we get the 2 times area of ABD. Give it the equation number 1. Now here, consider this triangle ABD. Here, in triangle ABD. Now we have given that E is the midpoint of median AD. E is the midpoint. E is the midpoint of AD. Therefore, we can say that BE is the median. BE is the median. Now the result that we use here, the same result we have to use here in the triangle ABD. So these two triangles, now we can write down that have the equal area because BE is the median. If we consider AD as the base, then BE is the median. Therefore, we can write down that area of ABE is equals to area of DBE, right? Or BED. BED. Now, as we have write down at the total area of ABD, total area of this part ABD is the addition of the two triangles, areas of these two triangles, that is ABE and BED. Area of ABE plus area of BED. Now here also we can replace this area of BED. We can replace this area of ABE with BED. So here we get area of BED plus area of BED. So area of ABD is equals to, we get 2 times area of BED. Give it the equation number 2. Now see, here we have area of BED. So in place of this area of BED, we can put these values, right? So from equation number 1 and equation number 2, what we can write down? This area of ABC is equals to, see, here 2 will remain as it is. We are now replacing this area of ABD with twice the area of BED. Twice the area of BED. Now what will happen here? 2 2s are 4. So this will become 4 into area of BED. Now take this 4 to the left hand side. So it will divide the triangle area of ABC. So this result we get left hand side, here we have area of BED. And if we take this 4 to the left hand side, we get 1/4 area of ABC. Right? So this is the required result, that is we want to prove. Okay? So this is actually very simple. Right? Why you can prove this result? Because we have given here is that E is the midpoint of median AD. That is why the result we can use the 2 times, that the median divides the triangle into the 2 triangles of the equal areas. Now this type of question is also here. See question number 3. So that the diagonals of a parallelogram divide it into the 4 triangles of equal areas. So Here we have taken one of the parallelogram ABCD. Both the diagonals AC and BD are intersecting in a point O. Now we know that in a parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. So here we can write down that diagonals AC and BD, AC and BD bisect each other at point O. Right? Here both these diagonals are bisecting each other at a point. So what we want to prove is, that these four triangles have the equal areas. That we want to prove. Right? It is given that so that the diagonals of a parallelogram divided into the four triangles of equal areas. So the four triangles formed are triangle AOB, triangle BOC, triangle COD and triangle DOA. We have to prove that all the four triangles have the equal area. So now first of all, consider the AC diagonal. If we consider this triangle ADC, right, then we can say that DO is the median, right, because AC is divided by this diagonal BD, and BD, BO, all the 3 points are collinear. So here we can write down that in triangle ADC, DO is the median. As the DO is the median, we can write down that both this triangle have the equal area. That is, area of DOA is equals to area of COD. Both this triangle have the equal areas, right? Give it the equation number 1. Now if we consider this triangle ABC, here also in triangle ABC, this BO will become the median. So BO is the median. As the BO is the median, again these two triangles have the equal areas. So we can write down that area of ABC, AOB, area of AOB is equals to area of BOC. Give it the equation number 2. So currently we prove that these two triangles have the equal area, these two triangles have the equal area, but we have to prove that all the four triangles have the equal area. So now consider either this triangle ABD or the triangle BCD, so that adjacent triangles also have the equal area. That we can prove here. Now consider this triangle ABD, right? So now in triangle ABD, AO is the median, right? AO is the median, and therefore we can write down that area of this triangle DOA is equals to area of AOB. Give it the equation number 3. Now see, equation number 1, 2 and 3. What we can write down from equation number 1, 2 and 3? Area of DOA is equals to COD, area of DOA is also equal to AOB, and area of AOB is equals to area of BOC. That means all these four triangles have the equal areas. So from this 3 result, we can write down that area of AOB is equals to area of BOC is equals to area of COD is equals to area of DOA. Right? What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is that, therefore we can write down that the diagonals of a parallelogram divide it into four triangles of equal areas, right? That is the result that we have proved here, right? The concept is simple. If we have a triangle and there is a median, then the triangle is divided into the two triangles and both the triangles have the equal area. Okay, so this is all about this lecture. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.